Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another Bimmer Plug YouTube video. Hope you guys didn't miss us too much. Today, we have another mod for the M2. As you guys can see, it's right behind us. We actually have a state ref because of this mod, but you know, I didn't learn my lesson. So today, we're installing titanium intakes for the M2. So it's gonna go right here in the front. You'll be able to see the cones right in the front. So on the M4, it was bright red. The cops got me twice. So I learned my lesson, maybe not. I got the black cones, so it's a little bit more low key. And it's gonna sound great right now. We can't really hear the intakes at all. So we'll do it before rev, maybe not, because it's cooling down right now. But you guys will hear it after, and you guys will be able to hear the spool. Sounds like a JDM car, sounds amazing. Just like the M4. So yeah, just waiting for it to cool down a little bit first, and I'm gonna run it. Just a couple updates. Broke the lip. I went to one of our good friends' apartment in Laguna Niguel, and it's funny, the camera guy behind this YouTube video is right behind me when he heard the crack, and happens, you know, low life for life. It's okay, so I know the maker, so it's all good. But besides that, nothing else has really changed. Just been dailying the car, having a good time. Intake's next. Been holding off on it. We ordered it maybe like a month, 2 months ago, and I was tripping a little bit because we got to state ref twice on the other car because of the intakes. I was like, no, we're not gonna throw it on. We'll sell it, whatever. And you know, I learned my lesson, so we're gonna throw it on. So should be good. So I'll show you guys the intakes right now. This one is our full titanium front mount intake. So we have a version that's silicone as well, but this is the BP show car. Got to throw it on, hook it up with the best. No silicone, this is titanium. Comes with the welded Bimmer Plug badge right there, just so you know it's certified Bimmer Plug product. And yeah, I love how it's blue, and has a little contrast right here. Can't really see it once it's on the car. You can really just see like the top part and then the cones. But I'm excited. It's a good mod, very simple mod. Simpler because I'm not installing it, but I'm excited to hear how it sounds, really. So let's come outside. Oh my God, let's check out this car first. So this is the piss yellow, Austin yellow M4. This is Paulos Car. He's Instagram famous now. Have you guys seen his reels? Almost at 100K. This guy's tripping. This guy's tripping. But look at this. It's a beautiful build. They recently added the GT4 style canards. These are dropping on the website in about a week or so. I think once the video comes up, it should be live already. If you guys want the same ones installed by the man himself, it'll be available. GT4 lip, GTS hood. Side skirts came with the car. It's not from us. It's a little bit fucked up, so it's not from us. And what do you guys think? Should we do like a track build on the M2 or do more of like a stance build? I'm not too sure because I've always been like a stance kind of guy, but just having Paul on the team, he's fucking telling me to do like ED8s, track build this, track build that. Is this car open? Let me see. Let me see. It's not open, but he has like racing bucket seats in there. Got a fat wing. I think he calls this like the GTS Light, something like that. He has like the Nuremberg or Brazil, Sao Paulo, I have no idea. A little map on here. It's a cool car. It's a really cool car. But there's a cooler car over here. Come here, guys, come here. I have a cooler car over here. Oh my God, this is unreleased. I hope Jake drops the reveal before this video comes up. I think he will, but my boy went back to TEs because you guys love that shit. So he's the man of the people. You guys are going crazy with the chrome. So he had to do it again. Had to do it on you guys. He had to style on you guys again. So Jake's equipped with the TE37s. I'm sure you guys have seen this before. These are fully chromed out, custom one of none. Jake spec. If you guys have chrome TEs, Jake spec. Jake spec. Started the wave. Started the wave. But He had LMs before. I thought we were gonna show the LMs today, but sold. Yeah. Funny story, guys. Look at this car. This is one of our newest workers' car. And it's funny because I pulled in like maybe like 2 days ago with Paulo, and I'm like, bro, like who the fuck's camping outside our warehouse? And we started dying, bro. We were like, Paulo's like, no, this is like Roman's car. Roman's one of our new guys, and I'm like, bro, it's funny, like why does it look like a fucking like homeless guy's car? Like, he's fucking living in the car and shit. Like, I don't know, it's funny. But yeah, not everyone at BP has BMWs just yet. It's all good. That's why we're here. That's why we're working hard. So yeah, just waiting for the car to cool off. Talking some shit out here. Yeah, life is good. Is the plane gonna come now? My PJ? My PJ is gonna come right now. Look at that, guys. Hey, once we hit 10,000 subscribers, take one of you guys on my private jet right here. So, you know, you guys will be able to land right here at the airport, and I'll drive you here in Jake's car to Bimmer Plug, and we'll do a day in the life. So we're gonna work, go to the gym, eat some good food, drink boba. We're in Irvine, so boba is a big thing out here. Catch the PJ. Look at this, guys. 10,000 subscribers. Get your private jet, Southwest. Private jet to Bimmer Plug, 10K subs. It's gonna be a good time. Not that one, that's a small one right there. So you guys know how we do. We always go all out with the big ones right there for you guys. So. It's like Paulo's already getting started. Today is Juneteenth. Paulo. Happy Juneteenth. So you guys know what that is. The car's black, everything's black. The cones are black. My boy, Paul.
We love black.
And racism here, Bimmer Plug. So Paul's getting started. We're gonna take off the bumper. Throw on the intakes. It's not that easy. I'm just doing this hand motion to show you guys, but I'm not really touching the car. Paulo's mainly doing the job right here. So do some commentary. He takes off the, shit, I'm gonna get out the way, my bad. Take off the bumper, just throw on the intakes, put back on the bumper, and that's it. Easy as. Easy because I'm not doing it, guys, but shout out to Paulo.
5 seconds.
Paulo's our man here. Put a link in the description if you guys want to schedule an install with us. We're out here in Irvine, California, right next to the airport. Paulo's available Monday through Friday, 10 to 5 p.m. every single day. We can do anything. Our parts, performance parts, suspension, maintenance, anything. You guys let us know. Paulo has a direct phone number that you can call him at, text him, or you can schedule directly on the website. So this is the part where it cuts to the job being done. And like I said, guys, it's not that easy. Paulo, Paulo, rate the difficulty of the install 1 to 10 for the beginner. Let's say someone like me, if I were to install it at home, how long would it take? Or difficulty, 1 to 10. 10 is like a single turbo install. And one is like,
I'll say 6,
spoiler. 6, 7?
Yeah.
6, 7. So with that,
because it's the first time.
professional install recommended. That's what he said, translated. So schedule an install, we'll take care of it because we don't want you guys to fuck it up. We got you guys. We got a trained professional here. It's Juneteenth, black car, black cones. Life is good. Life is good. So it's funny, I'm acting like a customer now because usually customers come in, they just like watch over you, Paulo. Why do customers love watching you work, like up close? Why is that, Paulo?
I don't know, bro. Every time someone comes in, they try to be on my neck, but sometimes you gotta give them.
Do you tell them? You tell them to like sit down or?
Wait outside.
Dude, they don't. They just watch you. Bro, they're always like watching you and shit. It's funny, like the older guys love watching Paulo work. It's funny, bro. Like literally, like someone would be doing an intake install right now, or Paulo would be doing it, and the guy would just be like, sitting here, Paulo goes over there, he's like right here. And you guys think I'm joking, but I'm not joking. I'm not joking. Motherfuckers love watching Paulo work. It's like they've never seen it before. Like they've never seen it before. So guys, we're halfway through the install process. The bumper's off, you guys can see right here. Look at this front lip being used and quality tested. So I am not the best F1 driver out there, and this lip lasted me a while. And even with the crack, it still looks good. Bumper off. This is the MHC style front lip. If you guys were wondering, this is the Alpha N style grille. Looks amazing. Go over here. That's where the magic's happening. Looks amazing. Can you guys picture this with the bumper on? Titanium intakes. Hopefully no state ref with this one. I'm gonna be slick with it this time. Got the black cone, so it's more low key, as we'll see that. The M4 had red cone, so it's a little hot boy. Shout out to Paulo. Made the install really quick, really easy. Paulo, any word for the people on the install? Paulo said schedule an install today, and he'll install it for you. He'll give you the Brazilian touch. We're almost done, guys. We're almost there. Just like a kid. We're almost there. Don't worry, guys. So we're gonna wrap up the install and show you guys the final result. Let's do it. Dude. Does this sound louder, my M4? Here, I'm gonna let you guys hear that one more time. It's just nasty. It's just nasty. Should come like this from factory. Callus sound pipes, single mid pipe, resonated. Look at that. Hey, give the people what they want. Give the people what they want. Dude, that shit's not gonna pick up. Remember last time we revved the M4? It didn't even pick up. Wow. Hey, let's use a couple more intake sounds, just so hear it even better. Oh, some more. Some more intakes. Listen up, guys and gals. That's right. That's right. Should we drive it?
Hop in.
Let's go. Can noticeably tell a difference. Shit, hopefully don't show this cake. Shows home. Oh hell no, I gotta block this part right here. Hey, just click on this. Hit him with the angle. Are we gonna scrape? Are we gonna scrape? Nah. Lips already cooked though, I don't give a fuck. Sounds a lot better parked, but I would imagine like just driving around, like not like this. I'm not trying to do nothing crazy. Hey, you remember what happened right here? Dude, and the kids are here too, that's fucked. That's fucked, that's unreleased footage right there. But here, let's see. It's a little bit more quiet inside the car, I will admit, but outside the car, it's fucking nasty. It's nasty. Dude, I feel like I just gave you whiplash. Oh man, my bad. My bad. Porsche. It's a Porsche without the Porsche money. Oh man, it's full house today. I've never seen this before. Let's see. What the heck? That's a cool wrap. XX, bro's missing the last X. Ni hao ma. Hey, look at this. You can tell it's a girl's car by looking at the plate. But actually, I think it's a dude inside. What the? Hey, it's 2025. No discrimination. And it's Juneteenth. Double whammy. Double whammy. All right, let's fill this shit up. So we're back. Just got some gas, and yeah, I don't want to do anything crazy here because last time, you know what they say, you learn your lesson once, right? You do it twice, it's on you. So keep it cool. You guys heard how the intake sounded when we're outside the car, and usually when you drive, air already comes in naturally through the grill, so it's gonna have that big whoosh sound that you guys are looking for. So just keep it calm here. Just keep it calm. Sounds nasty though. Let's listen to that. It's infamous. What?
It's mine.
What?
This is connected to me.
Yeah. I thought you were pointing at the corner, the infamous corner.
Oh, that's
Dude, that shit gives me PTSD, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, you gotta be safe around the turns. Golly. And we're back. Everything in a 5-minute radius. And we're back. I told you guys it'd be fast. Successful day here at Bimmer Plug. We installed the titanium front mount intakes for my G87 M2. You might not be able to see it because the sun's hitting and it's black cones. You wanted to do the black cones because, like I said, I'm not fucking dealing no state ref again. So if any motherfucking cop points at this, come stock. I don't even see it. Look at that. Can't see it. You're tripping, cop. But nonetheless, we have a big mod coming for this car, maybe around 2-3 weeks. Take some time to make it. It's a hint for you guys. But the next video, we're gonna do a new mid pipe for my M4. So right now it's non-resonated. We're gonna do a resonated mid pipe for the M4 very soon. Leave in the comment section below, what do you guys think of this video? Should we keep it up? I apologize for the gap in videos. I know you guys miss us, so run it back today. Plans to run it back again tomorrow. And just keep up the YouTube content. Love just talking shit, and it's always a good time here at Bimmer Plug. So let's wrap it up. If you guys want any installs, we're here in Irvine, California, right next to SNA Airport. Leave in the description below our schedule. Install anything, intakes, carbon, performance, maintenance. Paul can do it all. So until next time, don't miss us too much. Peace to the world. It's funny, I actually saw recently that a lot of Asians do peace, so I might change it up. So later guys.